Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn on pop-up notification on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chat tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the Settings option. Tap on Notifications. Under Message Notifications, tap on Pop-up Notification. You have three options to turn on pop-up notifications. Only when the screen is on, only when the screen is off. Always show pop-up. Select your preferred pop-up notification option. Now scroll down to Group Notifications selection and tap on Pop-up Notification. Select your preferred pop-up notification option. As you can see, your preferred pop-up notification settings has been updated for both message and group notification. This is how you can turn on pop-up notification on WhatsApp on an Android device.